Yo! What's up again mga peeps? So welcome back again sa another video. So ngayon ay maglaro tayo ng Midnight Station. At ito ay tutuloy natin yung series ng Midnight. Ano yung una? Basta yung una. So tara, yun. Simulan natin ito mga peeps. Let's go! Yeah. So ngayon ASMR gaming tayo. Ayun na. So where are we? Where are we supposed to go? Dito ba? Hello? Bakit may CR? Ito. Ayaw po dyan. Dito ako, bala ka dyan. Dito tayo. Ito. Hello? Look at the face! This has to like I'm kind of hungry. Might have ate a lot of food off the shelves. Bruh. What the heck? Inubos na yung pagkain. Grabe naman ito kagulang bro. Parang si Casio. You know yung yeah. I don't know if you all know that. Pero yeah. Clocking na tayo. Ito. What's that? Oh, radio. Ang creepy na radio. Sarado mo natin ito. Put Casio came by. Casio. So, ito. Ito box. Hindi ako nakakatakot. Ang lakas. I don't like it. Stuck. Ayan, tapos na. Okay na. Ngayon is maghintay na lang tayo ng customers, ha? Yun, may kotse dito. Yeah, so tayo maging cashier. Okay, talk natin. Finally. What took you so long? Di pa nga kami nagbebenta. You haven't even been waiting very long. Yeah. Whatever. Just ring me up already. Yeah, so how? Okay. Your total is $5. $5.57. You impatient old lady. I'll be calling corporate about this experience. Yeah, maybe. Yun. Oh, pera. So, lagay natin dito. Okay na. So glad she finally left. Sarado ulit natin yung pinto. Hey, yeah. Hello. Dating itong pinto. Hi. Can you ring me up please? What is it? Okay na. Tapos na kaya. Nakuhasin natin ito. Okay. Is the guy in the red shirt creeping around out there work here? Whoa. Who nasan? Where? $20 worth of gas. Here's 25. Keep the change. Looks like need it more than me. Yeah. Thank you. Thank you very much, ma'am. Okay na, tapos na tayo magbenta. The next move. May truck. Another truck. Saan to? Ay, yung manager dun sa ano. Detective pala. Hey you. What are you doing here at night like this? Work here, dude. Bro, bakit nakakuha ng badge? Well, you know there's a maniac on the loose, right? Yeah, we know. Sarado natin. Lalagot ka, tinatarget ka daw eh. Tinatarget ka daw. Has been reported wearing a red shirt and being terribly ugly. Call the police. What? Ugly? Where? So where is it? Ay, sarado nyo. Huwag nyo papapasukin. Uy. Ano yan? What's guy doing? Gugi na yan. What are you doing? You should get going, man. So ito yung ito yung sinasabi. Hello, gotta move on, pal. Uy, 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 uy. Sarado mo, sarado mo. Gagi. I'm going to call the cops then. Ang pangit ng mukha niya, ang laki ng ulo niya. No need for that. Ew, yo. Ew. I'll see you again soon. Ew, get out. Get out, bro, get out. Unless, no, sure. Go. Anyway, Joe. Later in the night shift. What happened? Whoa. What's this? Map. Kailangan ko yung map. Saan yung map? Ito. Grab the map. Grab the map. Isin lang natin to, right? Okay. Nalinis na. Hey there. Just this drink, please. Yeah. I'll count you. It will be $3.50. Yeah. Yes, we should grab this, tapos lagay natin sa cashier. Yeah. Money. So, what should we do next? Lagyan natin ito, baka mamaya may pumasok sa likod eh. What do we do next? Ang tapang nito. Whoa. Good car, sir. Good car. What's that? Hala, ito yung sa dining. Di ba ito sa dining? Diner? Di ba? Siya yun. Kamukha niya si Joe. Kamukha niya si Filthy Frank. Yeah. I think this is 24/7. 24 hours. Why is that? Okay. Haven't you heard there's a murder out around here? It's coming to kill us all. Whoa. Son. I think it will be fine. I know how to defend myself. Good luck with that. Here's your money. I'm out of here. Yeah, go bring your pretty ass donuts around here, boy. Get out. I need to empty the trash cans, okay? No. No. Tara. What's that? Okay, let's go. Someone might just go barge in, Alright. How much will this drink cost? Let me see. $6, please. And 99 cents, sir. About doing $7. You're funny. Seriously, though. How much? I'm serious, bro. Yeah, he's serious, man. These prices are outrageous. Take it or leave it. Bro, bakit ka galit? Yeah. Oh, a nice gentleman right here. What the heck? Where are you going? To the bathroom? Oh, bro. What is that? Tumay lang ata siguro ta. Bro, ang pangit ng mukha niya. Bakit siya ganyan? Kamukha niya si Barack Obama. Hey, I was gonna use your bathrooms, but the toilets are disgusting. Get out. It's train station to. Ano gusto mo? Dito nga sa Can a man find a peaceful place to go, number 2? Sorry, sir. I clean it right now. Ew, do we need to? Yuck. Okay, what are we supposed to do now? Go toilet. Clean toilets. 6 left. Okay. Detergent bottle. Tara, linisin daw natin to. What are you doing? Also, give me out. Wait. Bro. What do you mean? I'm just here to use the bathroom. You're crazy. No, leave right now or I'll have you trespassed. Weirdo. Yeah. Where did he go? Bakit siya nawala? Bakit gano'n? Ayoko na. Sarado niyo yung pintuan. Sarado niyo to. I give him. Oh, whoa. Whoa, what are you going to do? Ano yan? You shouldn't have come to work today. Wala ka dyan. I'll make you regret all of this. Wala ka dyan. Ayoko. Right? Should we talk to the guy? Investigate what happened outside. Uh-oh. What happened here? Oh, there's a car. Lang. There's a burning car. Outside. Hello. What the? Did you cause this? No, not me. I told you I'm showing you up. No. You're going to be my next victim. Bro, the creepy guy. Open this door. The creepy guy. That was close. I need to call the police now. Saan na yung police? Did not call. Okay, namamawas yung kamay ko. That's it. I'm going to call the police. Yeah, let's call the police. Call 911. Call 911. Phone rings. Okay. Phone rings. Kring. Yeah. Hello? This is the police department. How can I help you? Please hurry. There's a creepy guy chased me at the gas station. Are you sure that wasn't just a homeless person? No, it wasn't. It is like ugly guy, bro. He also caused a car crash. He's a serial killer from the news. Okay, we've dispatched 2 officers to your location. What's that? What happened? Oh no. The power went down. I need to fix the fuse box. Do we really need to? Yeah. Oh, tapos na sila. Must have been that creep. Naglalag ako. No! Naglag ako. Kasi the power went out. Okay. Set it to fuse. Uh-oh. Yeah, it must have been that creep, boy. We should have hide until police arrive. I could stay here, or is hiding in the back room. Stay na lang kami, stay. Dito lang kami, please.
too late. You didn't hide in a good spot and you were
ating
found taken by
end
the
of
creep.
series mga peeps. Kung nagustuhan
Bro,
niyo ang
I've been
ating video
kidnapped.
guys, please leave a like and
Damn.
subscribe to our channel. Also, huwag kakalimutan pindutin yung bell button para manotify kayo sa mga bago nating video. Tsaka maraming salamat nga pala sa mga kaibigan ko. Thank you. Bye-bye. Diyan.